Did you know that starting your day with a high-protein breakfast can help ignite your metabolism and keep you burning calories throughout the day? Let's dive into 3 simple, tasty breakfasts that do just that. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most important meals of the day, breakfast. Not just any breakfast, though. We'll be looking at 3 high-protein breakfast options that are easy to make, delicious and, most importantly, help boost your metabolism. If you're looking for new ways to start your day with energy and keep yourself full, you're in the right place. So, here's the thing, many people struggle with finding a breakfast that does it all. They want something that tastes great, keeps them full, supports their fitness or weight management goals, and doesn't take forever to prepare. It's a common problem, and the result is often a boring breakfast or skipping it altogether. But what if we could combine healthy ingredients with high-protein content to create breakfasts that help you feel full, satisfied, and energized? That's exactly what we're covering today. These recipes not only taste amazing, but they're also loaded with protein to keep you going strong throughout the day. And the best part? They all play a role in boosting your metabolism, making it easier to reach your goals. Alright, let's dive into the first recipe. Here are our top 3 high-protein breakfasts to get your metabolism going. Recipe number 1, Greek yogurt parfait with berries and nuts. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, fresh berries, mixed nuts, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, with around 10 to 15 grams per serving, depending on the brand. It's also rich in probiotics, which are great for gut health. Pairing it with berries gives you antioxidants, while the nuts add healthy fats and even more protein. Chia seeds also provide fiber and omega-3s, which help keep you full longer. This parfait is a perfect combination to support muscle repair, steady energy, and metabolism. Recipe number 2, avocado and egg breakfast wrap. Ingredients: whole grain wrap, scrambled or boiled eggs, avocado, spinach, and a sprinkle of cheese or nutritional yeast. Eggs are one of the best sources of complete protein, which means they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. Pairing eggs with avocado provides a great dose of healthy fats, while the spinach adds fiber and extra nutrients. If you want to cut calories or go dairy-free, try adding nutritional yeast instead of cheese for a cheesy flavor with added B vitamins. This wrap is portable, easy to make, and designed to keep you satisfied while supporting muscle growth and metabolism. Recipe number 3, protein-packed smoothie bowl. Ingredients: plant-based or whey protein powder, almond milk, spinach, frozen berries, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a handful of oats. Our last recipe is a smoothie bowl that's as refreshing as it is filling. Using protein powder boosts the protein content instantly. Adding almond butter brings healthy fats, oats provide slow-digesting carbs, and spinach sneaks in a serving of greens without changing the taste. Blend it up and top with extra berries or seeds for texture. This smoothie bowl is an amazing way to start the day with everything you need for sustained energy and a kick to your metabolism. Now, let's talk about the surprising benefits of each breakfast. The Greek yogurt parfait, for example, not only helps with muscle recovery but also supports a healthy gut, which plays a role in overall metabolism. The avocado and egg wrap is an ideal combo of protein and fat that keeps you full, making it easier to control appetite throughout the day. And our smoothie bowl? It's packed with antioxidants and micronutrients, which help fight inflammation, protect your cells, and keep your metabolism working efficiently. Another tip? Customize these recipes. If you're dairy-free, opt for coconut or almond yogurt in the parfait. Not a fan of eggs? Swap them for tofu scramble in the wrap. These recipes are super versatile. To sum it up, these 3 high-protein breakfasts are easy, delicious, and give your body the fuel it needs to kickstart the day. The Greek yogurt parfait, avocado and egg wrap, and smoothie bowl each offer unique benefits that keep you full, satisfied, and your metabolism humming. Remember, a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs is one of the best ways to support your body's energy needs and help with weight management. Plus, they're customizable, so you can make each of these recipes your own. Now it's your turn. Do you have a favorite high-protein breakfast? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and share with anyone looking to boost their breakfast game. See you in the next video.